Just a quick one. I'm here at a company called LONGHURST Refrigeration. Just having a quick service on the trailer because I've got a bit of time to get it done before I get my delivery done over in Belgium. And the guys here, young Jason, the owner, apparently follows me on YouTube. What a top man! But he's asked me to just show you what goes on. Great little setup. It's fair play, straight on me. As soon as I pulled up, he said, "Yeah, stick the trailer in here." Straight on it. Job done. They do all sorts. Look, vans, trailers. Got his workshop and everything all kitted out. Proper job. And he got me in the office. He said, "Oh, come in here." And he's got a couple of bits that he give me. I'll show you them when I go back to the truck now. There's the trailer, look. Yeah, straight away. Straight on it. Servicing and all the rest of it. So we'll get that done and then nip down and catch the boat. Captain Slow told me directions where they were on the industrial estate here in Lympne, and he said last time he was in, he said Jason has had a new car, and I told Jason. He said, "Oh yeah, I've changed it now. I've got a Defender." So he's got that Defender there, look, instead of the Range Rover apparently he had before. It's street. And his son, I think he said his name was Oscar, but I will check with him. His son's over in the Isle of Wight doing some work, but he said he'll be gutted. You'll have to forgive the noise, but I just thought I'd show you. This is the main man, Jason, on it now. He's doing some checks to see if the software needs updating. He says he don't want to be on camera. Secretly, I think he wants to be a film star. He's not turning his back on purpose. I don't think he's realised I'm filming. Look, he has now. He has now. He's realised now. What are you doing, Jace?
Software update.
All right. What do you do? Just check it.
Yeah. Put the latest software in, makes the fridge a bit more efficient and a bit more quieter.
Ah, right. Got you.
Once we've done this, you're free to go.
Thank you very much, mate. Lovely service.
You're welcome. Anytime.
Right, that's me done at Longhurst. Software update on the trailer, service, all ready to go. Let's pick it up, get out of here and across to Belgium. Great service by the fellas here. I'll put some details in the comments below so you can like, follow and all the rest of it. But thank you very much, Jason. See you again. Right, that's me done at LONGHURST Refrigeration. All sorted. Many thanks to the chaps there. Straight on to me. Got me sorted. Double quick time. Give me that service. Give me the software update. Supposedly making it more efficient, better on fuel. So that's all good. And we're on our way to Belgium. I'll put a link down below to Jason's company and the website, Facebook page. I'm sure he'd love it if you give him a like and a follow and all the rest of it. And I'd like it too. I'd be really grateful because the guys really did look after me. And I'll put some pictures on of the goodies that he's given me, and I can't thank him enough. They're proper nice. So thanks very much, and see you next time I need something servicing on the fridge. Cheers, fellas.